Hi there. I would like to recommend a few maintenance tips to help keep your slider cart performing well for many years. Firstly, if you wish to touch up the paintwork, although it would be in rare circumstances, you may use a spray can matching the colour and apply very light spray. However, do not spray or apply paint near or on the slide mechanism, as this will prevent the basket from sliding freely. This is very important. For general cleaning, we recommend plain water or a household surface cleaning agent and wipe with a clean rag. Check for any bolts, screws that have become loose and tighten these, particularly those supporting the slide mechanism. Remember, this is your trolley, it belongs to you and no one else, so don't overload it and look after it.